Hi and welcome to DataCoder. In this video, I am going to discuss about two variable in BTS structure of ADaM dataset, that is paramtype and dtype. So let's discuss what are these variable and what is the use of this variable in our ADaM dataset. If this is your first time to the channel, then do subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos on base and advanced SAS programming. Let's get started. So first let's see what is dtype. So this is the screenshot I have taken from the ADaM IG 1.1, and here the definition of dtype, let's see the variable name is dtype, then the label is derivation type. It is a character type variable and it has a code list or control terminology, that is dtype, which is extensible, and this is a conditional variable. So the CDX notes here says that analysis value derivation method dtype is used to denote and is required to be populated when the value of eval or eval c has been imputed or derived differently than the other analysis value within the parameter. Dtype is required to be populated even if eval or and eval c are null on the derived record. Three common situations when the dtype should be populated: a new row is added within a parameter with the analysis value populated based on other rows within the parameter. A new row is added within a parameter with the analysis value populated based on a constant value or data from other subjects. Or the last point is an analysis value eval or eval c on an existing record is being replaced with a value based on a pre-specified algorithm. So these are the three methods based on which we can derive a missing, or we can replace existing eval or eval c value within a parameter. So dtype is value is derived within a parameter, and so this dtype has a control terminology or code list which is extensible, and the expected value or expected method for which the derivation type is done is called like LOCF, last observation carried forward, or WCF, worst observation carried forward, average of value, or there is another method also called BOCF, baseline observation carried forward. So based on this, one of the method is used to derive a missing value or to replace the existing value of eval or eval c within a parameter. So the next concept is paramtype, and paramtype is something, when the value is a new parameter is derived as a function of one or more other parameters. Okay, in the dtype is derived within a parameter, paramtype it's derived and new parameter has been derived. So in the next ADaM IJ, it's going to be, this variable is going to be removed. So let's see the difference between paramtype versus dtype. Dtype is to indicate that a specific derivation was used to create the particular record. Paramtype is used to indicate a parameter that did not previously exist. Paramtype can only take the value of derived. Okay, so the expected value for paramtype is derived if a new parameter has been derived, and dtype can be used in conjunction with paramtype if a new record is using the indicated algorithm needs to be populated. So for this ADaM IC version 1.0 or 1.1, the param type contains the string param to indicate it's a parameter, and D in dtype stands for derivation. So in the next sdtm IC, that means next ADaM IC ADaM 1.2, paramtype has been removed, so it's no longer going to be confused between dtype and paramtype. So this is ADaM IC version 1.0 or 1.1. Okay, not sdtm IC. So these are the difference between paramtype and dtype. Dtype is within a parameter, paramtype is a new parameter has been derived, and both also can be used together. So let's see some of the example. So here in the first case, illustration of dtypes for record that did not exist for a parameter. Okay, so here if you see there is a parameter weight which is in LB, and we have param city avz, But for the week 36, which is denoted here in red color, has the missing value, eval was missing. Okay, so the method which is used here to derive the missing value is LOCF, that is last observation carried forward. So here in the eval, the last observation was week 24, that is 207, has been, hence 207 has been imputed for the missing value of week 36, that is 207, and the D types is mentioned as LOCF. So based on which method the missing value has been imputed for that particular parameter, that method has been has to be mentioned in the D type column. Okay, so this is the first example when the missing value is imputed using D type. In the next, we see paramtype. That means from the previous table, a complete new parameter has been derived. That means previously it was weight in LB. Here we are deriving weight in kg. The unit has been changed. So in weight in kg, if you see, everything has been derived again for all the weeks, and as it is derived, the paramtype has been derived for all these records. Okay, new parameter has been derived. So this is the paramtype. For the last example, we see both dtype and paramtype has been used for the same record. That means from weight LB we derived weight in kg, and the paramtype is derived. But for the same thing week 36, it was missing, the values was missing. So this missing value has been again derived for this weight in kg, and the method is used as LOCF, last observation carried forward. So the last observation week 24, that is 93.9. Again 93.9, that's the last observation value of eval, has been imputed for the missing value of week 36, and the method is LOCF here, as well as it is a new parameter has been derived, right, weight in kg. So the paramtype is also mentioned as derived. So this is how we see the example of or the use of dtype, paramtype, and both dtype and paramtype for the same record. This is used in the BDS structure of ADaM dataset to impute the missing values of eval or eval C, or to create a new parameter. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, and if you have any questions, do comment. I'll get back to you on with the solution. Happy learning. Thank you.